Port Arbor by Craftmade Ceiling Fans. Port Arbor brings industrial style to the great outdoors. Suitable for wet locations, the ruggedly handsome Port Arbor features visible hardware details, hammered texture surfaces, and 52-inch all-weather blades with a look of serious determination in weather-resistant espresso finish. The retro chic integrated light fixture with a tough finalic shade as distinctive as it is durable adds a perfect finishing touch. To see more fans like the Port Arbor, visit our website at craftmadebrands.com.